All right, superstars, do you have a dairy-free child at home? Or maybe you yourself are dairy-free. I know dairy can be such an irritant to so many people. It can really slow down the gut. And for our children, it's often been connected to things like eczema, asthma, allergies, even trouble going to the bathroom. But so many parents tell me, all right, you want us to be dairy-free, but how are we supposed to feed our children? I get it. I've got two and we're trying to keep them low dairy as well. And it doesn't always go that way on any given day because they're older and they're making choices for themselves. But these are sure to please any crowd, and I can't wait to show them to you because I've been salivating as I've been standing here trying to make sure I don't eat them myself. Let's start with the first one. So these are going to be caramel apple nachos, right? We're taking a twist on the nacho idea. The big deal here is we've got dairy-free chocolate chips. Yes, they exist. Go find them. They are delicious. So we've got sliced up apples here. Hopefully you guys can see that. We've got some caramel poured out in a little dish here, and you can use as much or as little as you want to. Remember, we're always trying to watch the sugar too. So easy. Drizzle a little bit of caramel over it. Sprinkle a few of these dairy-free chocolate chips. First of all, it looks pretty, which is half the battle, right? With our kids, it has to look good. If anything looks healthy, you know that they're not gonna eat it. Super easy, takes under, what, a minute, 2 minutes at the most. I guarantee you they'll be gone within 2 seconds. All right, let's move on. So we've got another fun snack here that I wanna show you. So now we've got apple, cinnamon, peanut butter sort of nachos as well, or crackers, however you wanna call them. So we've got a couple made here, but I wanna show you how easy it is to make it. And you can use any apple.
Do you like apples?
Red Delicious, you can use Gala apples, Granny Smith, it really doesn't matter. Pick your family favorite and go for it. So I'm dipping in to this peanut butter here. I want to get about a teaspoon or so and literally spread it onto the apple. I'm going to put a little bit more. Why peanut butter? Well, we've got a little bit of protein and it's definitely better than some of the other things that they typically want to go for. And then to that, I'm adding some granola. And remember, granola has protein and fiber as well. You want to pick a low sugar granola. This one has pumpkin seed and flax. I love pumpkin seeds. Lots of great properties to pumpkin seeds, high in zinc. Flax has a lot of fiber and omega-3s as well. So we can sprinkle those directly on here. And then the magic ingredient, who's ready for that? I actually loved this as a kid too, cinnamon sugar. So again, we're trying to control the sugar, but just a little bit of this goes a long way. So we can sprinkle it on here directly and boom, we have a tasty, relatively healthy snack that your dairy-free child can have anywhere. Let me show you another one. I feel bad for dairy-free kids because they always see their buddies and their friends indulging in ice cream and all kinds of sundaes and desserts, and you see them just kind of salivating where they are. Well, look at this. We've got a fruit parfait, and again, I've got strawberries, pineapple, kiwi, grapes, all this yumminess here. You can mix it up, you can change it. It doesn't have to look exactly like this, but secret ingredient time, we have non-dairy whipped cream. This one's made out of almond milk. And so what we're gonna do here, so that they don't realize they're eating all this fruit, is literally shake this up and then pour it in here. And so that indeed turns into something that really looks yummy. And if you want it to be even more creative, maybe this wasn't tempting enough, but how yummy is this? I want to dig into it. You could do a layer of whipped cream in between the layers of fruit to have sort of that multicolored vision there. So again, there are so many ways to make your dairy-free child not feel like they're isolated, not feel like they're different, and still feel like they're enjoying food and ultimately not really hurting their bellies and causing all kinds of inflammation and the other things we're seeing so often today in the exam room. So give these a try. Let me know what you think. And again, you guys might have some ideas too, so send them on over and we can try them out together. If you know a child out there that's dairy-free, go ahead and share these with their parents because again, so many parents simply are struggling with what to give their children. Remember, I post new videos every Thursday, so don't forget to like and subscribe.